Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a October 2022 41 variant and question number 1. Topic is the O-levels mensuration. So have a look here. Calculate a volume of the solid cylinder. Radius 6, height is 14. So if you look at here, this diagram is not compulsory to make it. Just sake of your understanding, I'm going to make this diagram here. So have a look here. So this is according to this question, the height of cylinder given by him 14 centimeter and the radius of cylinder is 6. If this is behaving like a prism, okay? And what is the prism formula of volume? As the cross area into height. Cross area into height or length. Same thing. Cross area, what shape is circle? So this is called cross area and this circle shape. And pi r square. Pi r square is a cross area into h. Now just plug in the numbers and get the answer. So radius is 6 and height is 14. Okay. So I am getting the answer 6 square into 14 and 6 to power 2 into 14 into pi. So pi format answer is coming 504 pi. But it's not a compulsory to write this format. And final answer I'm writing here is 1583.36. And you know, every time we write 3SF, we don't want. Which number you don't want bigger than 4? No. So we will not add. We will not add. So this 3 will convert into 0. And this is our final answer for the first part. Part number 2, hemisphere, a solid hemisphere, a radius. So it means you can see this kind of solid hemisphere, okay? And radius is 6. So what is the basic formula of the cube or full sphere? Full sphere formula is here, 4 by 3 pi r cube. But when I talk about hemisphere, so this answer, this value formula, I'll take from here and make it half. Make it half. Why make it half? It's a very clear because not a full half. Okay. So this is cancel out. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4. So answer is coming 2 by 3 pi and r is 6. So I am typing 6 here. Okay, let me type in calculator. Okay, so in terms of pi, it is coming 144 pi. Okay, and if I type in calculator, this answer is coming 3SF is volume is equals to 452.3. I don't want. Which I don't want bigger than 4? No. Then I will not add. So 452 centimeter cube is my answer number 2. Talk about the lower question, B part. Show that 1 centimeter cube of steel is this much. Okay, all of you familiar that centimeter, okay, you know, he given us a link here. That's 1 centimeter cube of steel of the mass is equal to 7. So I had 2 titles, centimeter cube and grams title. 2 titles, right? So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 7.85. But he said no, convert into kilograms. And all of you know, in 1 kilograms, we have 1,000 grams. So under gram, I'm writing 1,000. And here, x. So cross multiply. So short story, x multiply with that. So x times to 7.85 and 1,000 multiply with a 1. It means I will get 1 into 1,000. And now, and wait a minute, just a minute, please. He said grams. Wait. This question is simple, no need of this whole thing, because this part will use next part. Simply saying 1 gram, you know it very well. In a 1,000 gram is equals to 1 kilogram. So simple, this value you will divide by 1,000. That's it. So 7.85 divided by 1,000, and you know how many zeros are there? 3 zeros, and so 3 jumps. So look, I show you. Look, I show you. Decimal is actually here. Okay, so 1 jump, 2 jump, and 3 jump. So this is my final answer, which is exactly matching with that. So kilogram. It means I got a connection here. 1 centimeter cube, actually this many kilogram. I got a link. So centimeter cube I wrote, and I'm writing this time kilogram. 1 centimeter cube is actually 0.0785 kilogram. Now, He is asking find total mass of this solid. Do you know, student? We need a total volume. So this volume and this volume I will add. You can ask me question, why not these numbers, sir? Because these numbers are not accurate answers. These are rounded answers. And these numbers are accurate answers. So if I add these two, so 144 plus 504. If I add these two, so I will get what total volume? Total volume is coming 648 pi. So this centimeter cube volume I have already. This value I'm copying under it. Have a look. 648 pi. And here x and cross multiply. So x multiply with a 1 and 0.00785 multiply with a 648 pi. And this is going to my answer. Hold on. Let me type in calculator, and inshallah you will understand. My answer is coming 15.9806. I don't want. So when I add one in this, there's a 59, or you can say there's a 9. So it's become a 16 kilogram. 16 kilogram. So total mass of the whole object, becomes 16 kilogram, which is our final answer. Okay, now I think this part is very, very clear, and let's go for the next part. So let's go for the next part, and next part we have here. He said 2000 centimeter cube of iron is melted down, and some of it is used to make 50 spheres of radius 2. So I show you what is 50 sphere. This is a sphere of radius 2. You can see here. And what is said? Find the percentage of iron that left over. So one sphere volume, let's find. So sphere volume formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and r is 2. So I'm putting here 2 cube. Okay, let me type in calculator, and 4 over 3 into pi into 8. And I'm getting here one volume 32 over 3 pi. Or you can say, okay, and convert into decimal format, but decimal is not compulsory. Okay, or I can say here this is a volume of the one sphere. But he said no, 50 square. So what is the volume of 50 spheres? So 50 spheres volume, I am going to write it now here, multiply by 50, and I'm getting here 1600 pi by 3. Okay, students, or I can say that wait a minute, students, wait a minute. So look at here now. So I am writing now here that this is a volume, okay, and how much is equals to actually. So 50 sphere volume is becoming what? 50 sphere volume is coming in decimal 1675.516. Writing this format or writing this format, both are same. So total 2000 centimeter cube, but this much is converted into spheres. How much left volume? So from 2000 subtract this number. So 2000 minus 1675.516. So if I subtract from 2000, so what left behind? The left behind is 324.48. And he said find a percentage of the leftover. So you know this 2000 centimeter cubes taken as a full. Full means 100%. Okay, full is called 100%. And I'm looking for the left. So I'm erasing this. Wait a minute. I am bringing down here number 1, and erase this left word, and this value I'm going to copy here. So 324.48 cross multiply. So this multiply with 100, and this divided by 2000. So I'm going to do the same thing here, and divided by 2000, and answer is coming here 16% left behind. 16.2 percentage left behind is answer for part number C. Now let's go for the next part. Iron left over is made into cube. I repeat my words. This is left volume. He said cube. What is the cube? All of you familiar? Cube is this kind of shape in which all lengths are the same. X, X, X. So all of you know, and he said calculate the edge of the each cube. So I mean one cube, okay. So X into X into X is called X cube. So volume is equals to X into length into width into height. Or I can say volume is equal to X to power 3. This volume will come here. Reason is very, very clear. You know it very, very clear. So x cube. If cube goes on the other side, would become cube root. Look, I'm showing cube root. Cube root of 324.48. And if I take a cube root of that, 324.48, my answer is coming is a 6.87 centimeter. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, this is done. Let's talk about one of the important questions here. Solid cone has a radius 3r. Look, I show you a cone. If I show you this kind of shape, inshallah, I'll be understanding. He said as a radius is 3r. So radius is 3r. Slant height is 9r. Slant height is 9r. Okay. And solid cylinder has a radius x. It means I will make a cylinder also. No problem at all. Solid cylinder I'm going to make now here. Okay. And solid cylinder height is given by him is 7x. And radius is given by him is single x. Okay. He said total surface area of the cone is equal to total surface area of the cylinder. So what is TSA of this and TSA of this? And both are equal to each other. So have a look, students, how I can do it. So what is because a prism and TSA for prism is what? You know it very well. Cross area into 2 plus perimeter of cross area into height. So this is the formula. Okay, we can do it. Cross area, what shape? Circle shape. So I can write pi x square into 2. Why into 2? Bottom area and the top area. Okay. And plus perimeter of cross area. What is the perimeter, student? This is the edge of called perimeter, which is a 2 pi r. 2 pi r. R is x. And height of the container is what? 7x. So I believe this is okay. I'm getting here 2 pi x to power 2. And here I got 2 sevens are 14. 14 pi x square. 14 plus 2 become 16 pi x square. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, I got TSA of the cylinder. So let's talk about the TSA of the solid cone. And what is the TSA of the solid cone? A curved area is equal to pi r l. Pi r l. And plus bottom area of circle, that is a pi r square. Pi r square. Let's try to solve it. 3 9s are 27. So 27 comes r into r, r square and pi. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. What about this? Square of 3 give you 9. So 9 pi r square. 9 plus 27, if you check it, it becomes 36 pi r square. Alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. And he said both are equals to each other. And we have to show what? We have to show this is given by him. Find k value. Okay, students? So I'm going to put them equal to each other. Have a look. So 16 pi x square equal to 36 pi r square. Job number 1. Can I cancel pi from both sides, students? Yes, I can cancel. And 16, 36 divided by 16, it's giving 9 by 4. But hold on. He said r equal to kx. R equal to kx. I am writing here kx. I'm writing here kx. For your knowledge, 16x to power 2 and 36 and k to power 2, x to power 2. This x to power 2 will cancel with that. How come? These both numbers will go and divide down. So 16x to power 2 over 36 x to power 2 equal to k. And this is cancel out. And let me divide 16 divided by 36. Is coming 4 by 9, which is our answer of k. So I hope so. You got the idea very, very well. Yes, student, there's one correction. This is a k square. It means this is a k square. So I missed the power 2. I repeat, square of k, so k square. So it's a k square. So the k square then is the root of the 4 and 9. So answer is not 4 by 9. So answer will become root again. Root of the left hand side, root of right hand side. So we get k answer what? K is equals to 2 over 3, which is our final answer. I hope so. You got a point very clear now.